middle meeting the abundance campaign. Medisika komama dofo any abusia e de fa tap send so adentia every say e so easy, reliable, fast and convenient. Sim market where be na adofo ensaka sikano e wo Ghana e kwan ben e na wo befa so and one say go be grabo o smartphone na wa download e tap send e wo phone so na wo de ko any gisam kese ne say baby a wo bia wotimi send sika akomo wo busua e wo my Ghana mu e wo abra wonti ahye e tap Nemo kai say obe yusu promo code e was screen you see and the so now obenya £5 on top, €5 on top. Sika what do you come ebusia ewo oh my Ghana ma mene papa any beje dodo tap aba.
It is yet another exciting moment. December 3 we say the ultimate sender bibia the D bibia the year the bibia the cool. Madam will be a very poster boy. Ono can ask himself unisika na uti and as you say uti I to say abu ebiniti no. Many MC Berryman abu media and I also say this very segment Sammy Flex speaks. Na hasi no make of first stories never. Not the gentleman himself. Father of all undergrounds, entertainment mo Messi, entertainment mo Ronaldinho, and or children no dia to no afa no dia bohasi. No a church mo achire. Na maboafo omboa me medwumedie ejina SCP esita. Reach the finest boy Flex and our face in the currency the digital Rasta. Nene if you see so no o hwe me angles ni nyina na ultimo say your new face e board. Now new face no so no Oshana one fine gentleman be from all the way event guide Anna Nidin and Roland Amati the finest boy infant all the infant now we fine boy
La Paz
hey
finest boy in La Paz
finest boy in La Paz and the finest boy in La Paz bros am reflection the school fi hasi the ajija dey with the ultimo say in seven you better you near chichi bros am
big man
but we be able to
koye send your day brave by the girls no more get more event guide for girls
event guide
the whole Ghana event normally controlling the girls pool party crowd and I say
so we events now for man and come.
So I did not tell a lie.
Yeah, but you can't say. Na nyame na make when na nye brasa me na account. So wo ye no am fa girls na ladies na kan ho a. Brasa me.
Big man.
Ensemo ho.
Yeah, yen kan.
Ensemo koso.
Yen kan.
Now, me ra one or two social media handles. Na afi so me hwe news e koso wo. What we say trending stories now. Now you read the comes of Rough Town Records. You also and see read the comes of the Gatti Music, High Grade Family. Brasame, I say acquire
even take because we are
that's it.
Hey.
Wow. Let me be one didn't man how I'm come on. What we say now, maybe I said that to you. No cha. Or you good at that come so you taste. Say Brasame. Anyway, the finest baby girl Wendy Shape and I become one say. Brasame and the last baby girl or become Wendy Shape.
Yeah,
Wendy Shape. Brasame.
Yeah.
Wendy Shape took this opportunity on Twitter. And now Onemi said, okay, Sisi Alba Ghana say the top S as in dinner started with S no rain. That's right. And now we can testify on that from the levels of Shatawale, that is S, Sarkodie, that is S, Stoneboy, that is S. When the shape meaning say Ebia or the Ebia Samini and the second baby. No, we try to go and no din or no din shape that is her opinion. Now, young brother comes of High Grade Family, Samini Dagati Music.
Okay.
Samini, I expressing the displeasure of this very whole situation. Honestly, only when they say because by disrespecting for not adding up the S Samini to the whole thing. Brasami,
Minia.
me assure what the cost be brave.
Mate.
What is your take on this very one?
Namen kind of simple. Namen can say, in showbiz, if you know how to play the game, you always be the favorite of journalists.
Okay.
Or better still, in the news world, if you know how to play the game, you always be the journalist's favorite. And whoever is thinking with Wendy Shay, I don't want to believe she's the only person thinking.
Okay.
In fact, I can hit my chest and say, as much as we bash her using her name, no, and then many people, it might not be her machinations. Same way, none of them will come out to admit. We don't want them to admit to, so they should keep it like that.
Okay.
But then I also want to tell you that Oma a share when the share say I no more chen throw away, almost chen away, almost chen away, say you know. Sanko for no only they are experienced people.
Okay.
When the share always knows how to make herself part of the news. She doesn't struggle. She does it effortlessly. Ube no wa ye bibi tweet kakra na oh we need headlines no. You see, if you are a smart guy and you are selling, you always be in the news to sell. Let's go back to Samini once again. Ebra, Kelvin Boy, ne Stone Boy, and Semne Bay. You saw the way Samini also brought himself into the news by writing that advisory note to both Kelvin Boy and Stone Boy. Right after, boom, he was the next guy in the news. Boss, we are all selling. I don't want to be in the news because I'm the news writer or I'm the news distributor. So I don't believe in being in the news. But to them, they have to be in the news because the more they come into the news, the more their ratings go high. And oh yes, smarter at every point in time, there is a way you can put yourself in the news.
Okay.
Current issue a trends the CIA at Polo and the police CID. Say nay obi a smart no person be just shiny bia. It will just take a tweet, it will just take maybe a Facebook post, it will just take some 1 minute video and that person will take the news. Right now, me by studio here, me will say a fear odo aposti bibi. Waka say, why are you guys going to arrest Ekuapin Polo? You should arrest our mothers because they used to put ginger in our cricket. My madam kind of cricket. They used to put ginger in our pussies and things. Go and arrest the rapists, people who are raping their children. Now, if she is ready to defend this, 9 pounds will be fellow. If you are now post a wire or Twitter, also saying, no, to me, back. She also take over. And if there is something she's selling, she sells in the process. And I was so happy the way Samini came in to respond. Samini was so crafty with how he came in to respond. And at the same time, when the share here after Samini response, when share here the latest post, let me see if I can read this to you.
Okay, sure, that's fine.
Who is here? Good. I think I have it. I think even need to be right for me to get a Samini one, but I was Samini then I can't remember.
Okay. All right.
Minya who were no back me of when the shade the final one now why and two was Samini then I can fat up on Timami.
Okay. And Samini post on the car. I think
I responded to.
I mean, I responded to when the shade.
Okay.
Say.
Okay, I directed that to a screen is one.
Okay.
And I think that when they say ni list, no, and I can say the top artists, our more Ghana, we know the S of Bob Bodian, and also didn't say send your intro now, and some mini by no say there must be power in the letter S. You need a suit with it written on your chest, LOL. You want to make the list so bad. WS and the WS is obviously when the and I say S for star, S for spirituality, S for seriousness, S for simplicity, S for solar. Make I continue keys. The name must start with S if anything.
This is what creativity.
I think for the past weeks, somebody has been writing proverbial. Even there, Ochoma, Kelvin Boy and Stone Boy, already as an artist at Ultron, the rhyme scheme from the beginning till Obeka and Semino, People that the Samina same way now kind of profit into it. So this is a crafty way of putting this thing out. Now look at Wendy Shea too.
Okay.
Honestly, I'm responding to Atsamini Dagati. You make me wanna rearrange my name. So I won't put Shea before Wendy. Cause S is sexy, S is super, S is star, and S is senior. And you are senior. Officially the 5S. Officially the 5S. After starting yes, Samini, Shatter, Sack, Stone, Shea.
Wait, any friend of creativity at its best.
And you see, I'm so happy in the sense that no one has brought emotions into what they are doing.
Yeah.
Obiara for emotions in their mom. Now it has turned into more or less like play on words.
Sure.
For a word, I'm saying family word, but still playing with the letter S.
Sure.
And it is so beautiful.
Any on my 6. Stone Boy. Samini. Sakone. Shatawale. Shea. Sammy Flex.
Yeah. You know what I mean? It is just a way to play. And this, like I said, if you do it well, you'll be in the news. So this one, I'm not sure it is even closer to a beef. It is not a beef.
Yeah.
Of course, when you say, Nidin Shea no S Nidi kind.
Oh yeah, definitely.
A true baby and not assume them. A true baby because also a Shea gang. Or one man is Sanoka. Shea gang. Sanoka. Shea gang. Or can it then TV? Shea gang. I had to emergency. Shea gang. You understand? So the S then, when they put herself there, and I like the responses from them. I think this is so beautiful. It is just to entertain the people, and people are just so happy with when the Shea said the final tweet here. People are so laughing like they are happy. Wow, because Samini, I think that worry about and I say, you make a one very alphabet, like a the letter S. It's no, so yeah, or didn't the S never shame. It's very much beside about Samini, Shea, and Samna. I think I can say this briefly.
Okay, brother, I think say because you end the conversation. You are the council, you kind of say event guy. Roland, people get call you. Hey, Charlie, you're looking fly.
Yeah,
Charlie, oh shit, you cry, easy.
So you Corona fly.
Brand bay, shit.
Way off white.
All right, so Roland, what we can say. The fans and the love of Sammy Flex TV. What have you got for us? Then I will mind.
Okay, so we shall see your event.
Okay.
Say whether corona or no corona, still was CNG. I was sending a man also. Movies for your modie and you two for to release your songs. Event industry is still active, as we all know. Over the past weekend, Kelvin Boy. The first virtual concert. Now, when Obi or share side events need be online, would if you didn't love Kelvin Boy and as I want to Kelvin Boy alone, then I don't know what again you expect from the guy. Performance, stagecraft, and everything. The guy gave out 100%.
Everything was on point.
Everything was on point.
Oh, that's fine.
And over the weekend, so the means a year back to back. Yeah, see the late Bishop. May so rest in peace. And Peace FM, that is Despite Media.
No Jessica Pa.
And Jessica Pa, no year in 1 week. So over the weekend, these are the major headlines in terms of events and gatherings.
Okay.
It's me by over the weekend.
Yes. Over the weekend, so now I could be car couldn't a year for being.
That's well, event Roland to us where now
it's you're free chair buy him sir.
Okay.
See, upcoming events on the 4th July, you were Accra we did stage play. Accra we did stage play. And a super fun production. I'm organizing this event. Now, previous events we enjoyed some stage play from Uncle White. on Facebook and on Instagram, YouTube, which was COVID meaning. So most of the events happening, most of them are free because you're online. You don't hear no data. Now they are shared. But this time, Superfarm Production Force said, in order say they are entertaining people, those acting also need to benefit. So their events, they are charging 10 Ghana cedis.
10 Ghana cedis?
Yes.
For the event?
For the events, for the stage play no.
And I don't know if I want to understand that. No better if you know what shape. But how do you pay and then?
How do you pay? Information on the mind say they have a group on Facebook.
Okay.
It will be streaming live only on Facebook. And as a they have a group on Facebook that is Superfarm Productions.
Okay.
So you will have to join the group. So when you send your request to join the group, they will have to approve it. So before the approval, they have a number which you send Momo of 10 CDs. Now I verify on your WhatsApp, and I say when you send even Ubetimi do Dinya account on our reference points on so that they will know say it is you. Then they will approve you on the page for you to be able to have access to watch the events live.
Wow. That's fine. Brasame.
Yeah, man.
But it's our concept, you know, how do you say it?
Yeah, I think it's very creative and COVID by even Facebook for the crampono. I think that they brought this idea because it is their plan say they would also find ways to help artists or performers to generate money. And to this thing, I have a strong belief that it is something I be a Facebook crampo. I added some 1 or 2 features said amount for betting because the page is not for now and yes, I they joining. It is just a matter of be put you name then part you are in. But I see at the say it will just be the same as going to an event.
Okay.
It will just be the same as going to an event. It is a Kelvin Boy now say also what social concert need to do 20 cities and Sunday do campaign now. And they said they were to car. The only difference is that this time they did not move. And here they say more breaching for the people I pay attention to them more. Because now it is easy for them to send Momo from abroad to Ghana. It is a 10 cities now, say $2 is $3. Aha, they back so they will all watch, and I think it is a fantastic way. We should all learn that skill. I better be great that show this day. Open so should be. I do a Momo bed.
So performing, we have our very own Clemento Suarez.
Okay.
We have Foster Romanus, General Dr. Su. I'm no feature or Accra with the
General and Tatia, Kokonzini. Maybe our phone trainer that guy, he's a guy.
Yeah.
Alright, so.
And our exclusive Man of the Year awards, he can't come once and that. They've released their performance, the people who will be performing on the night. We have Joe Metal, Table Sisters, Can Promise, Ifya, and Aquabwa. And they've also introduced the Red Carpet Challenge. That is on the day. No say the event is virtual. So, and by invite. Just few people will be invited to the venue. But then, so they've introduced this Red Carpet Challenge. What we show of you, so Obetimi found said they are over events.
A friend is saying, Emmy Africa phone,
yes.
On my Red Carpet Challenge.
Exactly.
You don't need to come there.
No.
Just dress in your house and do photo or video.
And take a picture. And now they will say a picture or say video. No, when you walk for now when you wake chat and yet say cheese. Now
behaving like you are going to
the events. Say to exhibit.
Were they specific on photo or video?
A photo, a short video.
Yeah, because a photo. If I have a photo there, and I release now, because okay, this is my presentation now. How will it be real? Because if you have a photo, my trap. And yet, me try my photo. Yeah, now my slayer may come back.
Okay, so the condition is you tag Emmy Africa on their social media handles. Then the one that has the more likes and more views stand a chance of winning.
I think they should have done a strictly video so that they hear you talk about Emmy Africa's Red Carpet, especially
Red Carpet Challenge.
Red Carpet Challenge. If I were there, maybe as a nearly no better correct here. It should be strictly videos. My name is Sammy Flex. I am posing to be part of the Red Carpet Challenge. Then we know this is for that.
Okay.
But I can't be a photo keke. I'm on for wicked photos go.
And I want to say, with creativity, what you said can give other people ideas. As to how to even have a
red carpet.
Yes, over people who just send a still photo. Maybe the picture, but what a video. Who endorse events in the crack come you stand the chance of winning the 5,000 Ghana cedis.
Exactly. So you see why sometimes I make us say when you need some flex on board. Emma Niema Bibri Akoso.
So to Al Jazeera.
So to Al Jazeera.
Laugh line, spearheaded by Lexi the comic. Yes, almost see here. Ye be mo kakra.
Okay.
Obunim say omo fans na fe sa event. It's a monthly comedy show. Omo fans na fe events no, so they are just urging their fans to prepare themselves. Yes, nipa 100 they are about to organize free events.
Okay.
I'm inviting for 100 to a venue just to entertain them for free. Yes, that is from the cap of Laugh Line. And a Big Brother Ghana so baso.
Hey.
Big Brother Ghana.
Big Brother Ghana. By EBN network for also say the Big Brother Ghana.
Okay.
This I would say Big Brother Africa, Big Brother Nigeria, Big Brother Mama. Ghana.
Big Brother Ghana. Mate say maybe omo can that say ba. But a job just me be do. Into this time round there say mbet me be do. I think say we all be great.
And they are doing auditions online. So Big Brother _Ghana GH. So you just make a video of yourself, like kind of audition, then you just tag them or send it to them on their various social media handles, and you are gone.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm sure from time to time get the organizers into the studio and let's judge with them. Yeah,
definitely. And Afro Nation, year of return last year. You know, say it is an European event. Most of their big events. Yes. And this year, because of COVID-19, they've postponed the Portugal one to 2021.
Oh, okay. Now Ghana funds are postponing.
Ghana, the end they are yet to decide on because. But see, information say Portugal the end they are 2021. Tickets they would have to use it next year.
Okay. I've also heard that even if you want a refund, they will also refund it to you.
So that is for upcoming events. Okay. The upcoming free next week.
All right. That's it.
We mean travel. Now, Cecilia, you say a party a year possible here.
Another every Friday.
Party be possible.
Yeah, and every Friday.
You wanna King Jerry di bebomu. Say Friday dear.
Live
Friday
in concert.
Live in concert. Live on Sammy Flex TV. Bye. Quickly. And your family, happier. Then Friday day.
Yeah, let's say the Friday day. King Kuncha sa. It's Friday to them. Let's Friday be DJ stickers. I know. Na King Jerry na puff na pound for.
All right, so we can say it's here for an answer for a kind of saying. Sammy Flex speaks, and they are sharing exclusive. They are sharing in a different way. Our Ankasa will go here. Will be feeling Ankasa. Bro, Sammy, your final words to you when you say Samini and any other person.
Charlie, this game is about who knows the tricks. It's about who knows the ways out. And I think, Samini, when they have proven with what they did, they know their way out. They know the tricks. They have all played it well. At the moment, they are all winning. They are all in the news. And share amount for and crying say, we should do most of these things without emotions. And check no the before Shemnafe, Yadani, Sutroboni, and Tokwakon. But these two, in fact, they played the game also well, and I encourage them to even do more.
we will encourage you guys to do more there because here this year. But before I go on, Roland Amati, our free events guide. I know one or two things we are also I can't ever want to actually Roland, but I think I am more some event personality of the week.
Exactly.
I think
exactly. So our event personality of the week this week is Rob Photography.
Hey, Fantini.
One say.
Many
events photography.
Yay! Oh, the lens.
And events in our culture.
Yeah, I know.
All the big events in Ghana and even in
outside
UK,
Ghana.
Ghana.
Menenako UK, I think twice to go do some
I've all
events.
tasted his lens. Robert Augustus Aban is his name. Maiden name Nana called Dazi Fantini. Born on March 24, 1989 inside Salt Pond. Career in started was solid multimedia internship. The more acting head of media. Joined Ejam Records. With his honors, he has MI Promo Awards as most influential media personality nominee in 2018, as well as event photographer of the year 2019 Ghana Events Awards. So that is the man we are celebrating. Ye name celebrate your work Ghana ha an event or work Ghana ha work Ghana has here on tasty Rob lens.
All right. And the not event personality of the week, yeah, the man there, and the brand patch of Stella, also unable to do my deno, and I had the embassy, my boy from one. Also, Richie the finest boy flex, currency the digital rasta in Tim Chemo and our face, chairman, Lapiji, and so come in the media, because Brassam Yada was a pa. Billy and MC Berima, Roland Osmeda was a pa, my booty and community of it. But check me out on all social media platforms, MC Berima. Maybe I'll be able to vibe more. Stay safe, stay good. Don't do what I wouldn't do. It's peace.